Can you believe that this caravan folds down into a portable folding trailer? I've had this for about 2 years now. This is my French 1980s Esterel. It's called a folding caravan, and this little home is my peace of mind. I was researching caravans. I wanted something small, something that I'd be able to handle and tow myself and take the kids away for the odd weekend here and there. I also wanted something I could cook in, something with lots of light, and the Esterel was the perfect folding caravan for me. The caravan is 6 by 8 foot, it's really lightweight and can be towed by a ride-on mower. Here in the UK it's a legal requirement to fold the caravan down when it's been moving, and honestly guys, I didn't realise how much of a lovely little home this caravan would make for me. So today we're moving it from A to B, and I'm going to show you how I'm packing it up, storing it away, and how everything just fits so beautifully. So first up in the caravan, I'm going to take down all the blinds. The blinds just attached to little hooks on the windows, and as you can see above the kitchen area there's some storage cabinets, and that also comes off the wall. Right guys, so we're going to take this unit off the wall. You've got to remember how small it is in here, so I know you're on the wonk, but I'm just going to show you inside there's 2 hooks. I don't know how much you can see. So this comes out, literally hooks off the wall. It's already recording. I'm just going to slide it under, and that's where it gets stored. So basically everything gets stored under this bed. Now I'm going to put it on its side because the mistake I've made before is scratching my cupboard door. Put that all the way to the back, and then also under there. And these 2 blinds, so we're going to find a little space for everything. This goes under, and then I'm going to zoom around this blind, and I'm going to try and do it one-handed now. We're going to unhook it. Yep, if you could hold that, darling, with your lovely nails. Let's show the caravan fam your lovely nails. If you keep them still, the camera is not focusing today. There we go. Half-term nails. Mum's just got plain ones, which since being in here I've just broken a little bit already. Okay, so this we're going to slide. See that little gap for it? Shall I help you? Okay guys, so all the units have been taken down, blinds have gone, every single wall is bare. Caravan has to be folded here, so everything has to be below this rail for the caravan to fold, which just needs to pull out. I'll see if I can do this with one hand. I've got a little handle here. Oh, swoo! There we go. Because I don't like to leave it just hanging like that. Just wedge something under it. So I'm going to do that now, which I usually just use my little stool. I think I'm going to put the actual caravan stool in there to wedge under it, and then everything will be level. So you see the kitchen unit where the rail is, so now the caravan can fold down in half. So this is where the real magic happens. If you have a look on every corner of the caravan, there's some little hinges. We actually have to climb on the bed, and we're going to unhook all these hinges. So we're going to go 1, and it's not going to fall because there's this hook in the middle, and it's on like a turnstile system. So at the moment that's unlocked, so I'm going to keep it locked and make sure I unhook that side first. That's just the way that I like to do it. I mean, you could unlock it and then unhook that, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Down, 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 down. That's what the caravan looks like. Okay, right, and now we're going to do the other side. Okay, so when the folding camper comes down, it literally hooks. There's one on that side, and obviously you have to make sure it's nice and in. Oh, you are getting the full experience today, aren't you? Although I can't do things with one hand, look. Okay, so time to tow it round to where the outside tap is in the hose and give her a lovely little clean. So right now I'm just going to put the legs up and put the hitch up and get ready to tow. Get ready to tow, get ready to go, get ready to tow. So, parked up by the outside hose and my squashes, pumpkins, whatever I've got growing, and I'm going to give her a little wash. Now Esther, the Esterel, is parked up in a new location. I can give you a proper tour of inside. So these are my spices. So it's a magnetic spice rack and it's from Amazon, and the caravan essentially sleeps 3. So this is the single bed, so it's a table for 2 during the day, and then at night time it folds down really nicely. We've got all our cozy blankets on there, which I absolutely love. This is our kitchen area. You can see I've got a little sink in there, a fridge, a cooker, and lots of storage. We also have fairy lights, and I put the new handles and stuff on just to give the caravan a spruce up when I first bought her. I have lots of chopping board for cooking, tea towels, some nice fresh flowers. Every time we travel I buy some. I've got a little side table in here just for my books and stuff, and our TV is stored underneath. So as you can see, the caravan at the moment is laid out in the style of for sleeping, so the double bed is out. I have this rail up here for lights and decor, and just a nice divider curtain if you like. Yeah, we've got some LED candles, loads of cozy blankets and cushions. I just absolutely love this caravan in the winter, and because it's got electrics and a USB port, I have a lovely electric fire. And finally, I just want to thank you all for watching today. Please do subscribe if you love anything camping, cooking or caravanning, and anything family orientated. Then please do check out my other videos. I've since replaced the flooring in this folding camper, and I've turned it into a bar for a party. I've also hosted some really nice little dinners in there. I've done all sorts, and I've got it all on video. So if you subscribe, you'll be able to see those videos in the near future. And we're currently just turning it into an outdoor room. So can't wait to see you again soon, and thanks for watching today. Take care.